Hello students, very good morning. Today we will take general knowledge class, that is GK. In GK your first lesson is national bird. Do you know the national bird of our country? Yes, it is a peacock. National bird of our country is peacock. Now, almost all birds fly, but can you spot the one which can't fly? You can see here in this page, various birds are there. Do you know which birds are these? Can you tell the name? We will study. What is this? It's a eagle. This bird, it is a stork. Which is this bird? You all must have seen this bird. Tiny little bird. It's a sparrow. This, it's all over flying. You can see everywhere. Yes, it is a pigeon. You all must be familiar with this bird. Yes, it is a parrot. And you all know which bird is this? This is the national bird of our country. It is a peacock. Which is this bird? This is the largest bird. It's ostrich. You all must be familiar with this bird. Yes, it can only be seen in night. We can't see during the daytime. It is owl. And the bird which pecks on the wood or trees, it is a woodpecker. So in all these birds, one bird is there which can't fly. Do you know which bird can't fly? Owl can fly, woodpecker can fly, eagles also fly very high, stork also flies, sparrow, pigeon, parrot you have seen, they also fly. Peacock, yes, it also flies, but ostrich don't fly. It is the largest bird. It is a bird, but it can't fly. Okay, so ostrich is the bird which can't fly. Now, this bird is the Arctic tern. Bird name is tern, T-E-R-N. It is found in Arctic zone, Arctic continent. So it is known as Arctic tern. The Arctic tern does an interesting thing every year. It flies all the way from the North Pole to the South Pole and back again. Now, the interesting thing about the Arctic tern, you know, it flies from North Pole to South Pole. Now you see, if this is the earth, and these are the poles, two poles. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. Two ends opposite, they are known as poles. And upward side is known as North Pole and downward side is South Pole. Upward side it's Arctic, and in south it's Antarctica. So what does the Arctic tern do? Every year it flies from Arctic to Antarctic, North Pole to South Pole, and back again. Every year he does the same thing. No bird does such a long journey, but Arctic tern, this bird always travels from north to south and back south to north. So you read again information about birds.